I have Samsung Galaxy A3 2017, and let me show you how to quickly switch on emergency mode. So at the very beginning, all you have to do is simply press power key, and from the phone options let's choose emergency mode. Let's read about the emergency mode. So emergency mode is intended to help your battery last longer and send the notice of your approximate location to the mobile phone of chosen contact that you set in advance. So you can read other important information about the emergency mode. Here you've got a lot of them, and if you read everything and you are aware of the following terms and conditions, let's tap agree. Let's read the following information, tab enable, and the device is enabling the emergency mode. Let's wait a few seconds. And that's it. Now you can use the emergency mode. You can here, for example, choose emergency alarm, you can choose emergency call, you can use the torch, you can use the phone application, you can share your location and use the internet. If you would like to disable this mode, let's use the more key and choose disable emergency mode. The device is quitting the emergency mode and booting into the normal mode. And that's it. Now you can use your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.